Chris Goss, Averkey Locksmiths. I'm going to talk about night latches in this video. This particular one works in conjunction with the mortise lock. So for example, when you close the door, night latch catches it, obviously open it. This one deadlocks from the inside. So that's now locked. Sometimes these snibs can deadlock. In this one, it actually catches the latch to leave it open. Now, this one does not deadlock from the outside because this is the deadlock here. I strongly recommend that you actually have a deadlocking night latch if you've only got a night latch. If you require any more advice, please give me a call. Thanks very much for watching.